Welcome to Top 10 Wild, where we reveal the 10 most intelligent animals in the world. Today we're taking you on a journey through the wild world of the most brilliant creatures our planet has to offer. These animals are not only experts at surviving, but they've also developed incredible skills you probably didn't expect. How about a snake that disguises itself as a spider to hunt? Or a dolphin that plays with pufferfish? Sounds unbelievable, right? From the depths of the ocean to the peaks of the mountains, these animals will amaze you with their intelligence and unexpected strategies. But which animal do you think has the smartest survival tactics? The answer will certainly blow you away. Are you ready to discover who the real masterminds of nature are? Let's get started. Number 10. The chameleon. In the hot sun of Madagascar and the rainforests of Africa hides a master of camouflage, the chameleon. These unique reptiles are not only capable of changing color, but they do this to reflect their surroundings or to express their emotions. Imagine being in the jungle, trying to spot a chameleon, but before you know it, it vanishes from your screen. Its ability to transform its skin is impressive, but what's even more fascinating is that it's not just about hiding, it's also a way of communicating with other chameleons. Brighter colors can indicate dominance, while softer colors represent a more defensive stance. But chameleons are not just colorful chess players in nature. They also have one of the most impressive vision strategies in the animal kingdom. Their eyes can move independently from each other, giving them nearly 360-degree vision. While you focus on the horizon, a chameleon can already monitor its entire surroundings. This makes it not only an excellent hunter, but also a clever survivor. With its long, quickly extending tongue, it can catch an insect without ever moving from its position. It may seem like chameleons are slow and deliberate, but beneath that calm exterior lies a sharp mind always ready to adapt to whatever the world throws at it. Number 9. The fringe-toed viper snake. In the hot desert of Iran lives a snake that doesn't just accept its environment, it takes advantage of it in a way that no one would expect. The fringe-toed viper is a master of deception. Instead of merely hiding or waiting for prey to stumble by, this snake has developed an ingenious tactic that guarantees its survival. The tip of its tail looks remarkably like a spider, complete with the movements you'd expect from a crawling insect. Birds, who often hunt spiders, are deceived by the snake's cunning strategy. They come closer, thinking they've found their prey, and are then surprised by the speed and precision of the attack. The fringe-toed viper demonstrates how smart evolution can be. Its ability to manipulate other animals into coming closer shows a level of strategic thinking that you wouldn't expect from an animal with a small brain. It's not just instinct, it's calculation. But the fringe-toed viper has more than just its clever tail in its arsenal. Its scales are perfectly designed to camouflage it in its desert environment, making it not only an effective hunter, but also an expert in self-preservation. Number 8. The mountain parrot. Imagine standing in the mountains of New Zealand, surrounded by rugged nature, and suddenly hearing a sound that resembles laughter. It's coming from a kea, a bird that is as intelligent as it is playful. The kea is no ordinary parrot. This bird has an exceptionally high intelligence and is unafraid to explore its surroundings in search of food and fun. Keas are known for their curiosity and ingenuity. They have the ability to solve problems that most other animals would find impossible. For example, they can open locks, doors, and manipulate complex objects to achieve their goals. What truly makes the kea special is that its playfulness is not just a survival tactic, it's also a source of enjoyment for the bird itself. They are often seen raiding cars in the mountains, tearing off rubber strips and windshield wipers, not out of anger, but purely out of curiosity and playfulness. This behavior shows that the kea not only has survival instincts, but also the ability to learn through experience. Their intelligence is also reflected in their ability to cooperate. They understand each other perfectly and use this cooperation to achieve common goals, such as obtaining food. The kea is a bird that uses its intelligence not only to survive, but also to have fun in its own world. Number 7. The octopus. Deep in the blue depths of the ocean hides one of the smartest creatures on Earth, the octopus. This mysterious animal not only has the ability to literally escape any tricky situation, but is also a master problem solver. The brain of an octopus is spread throughout its body, with a significant number of nerves in its arms, meaning that its tentacles can literally think. This allows the octopus to perform complex tasks, such as opening a jar, navigating mazes, and even manipulating objects. The octopus also has an astounding way of manipulating its environment. Its ability to change color and texture makes it nearly invisible to both prey and predators. But what truly sets the octopus apart is its use of tools. Some octopuses collect shells and coconuts and use them as shelters or protection against attackers. They are also known for their playful behavior, such as repeatedly throwing objects into flowing water, only to catch them again with their arms. The combination of creative thinking, adaptability, and versatility makes the octopus one of the most intelligent and fascinating creatures the ocean has to offer. Number 6. The honey badger. In the African savannas and Asian forests lives an animal famous for its bravery and determination, the honey badger. It is a small but unstoppable hunter that tackles its environment with incredible intelligence. Honey badgers are known for cooperating with other animals, such as honey guides, which help them find the sweetest, hardest to reach beehives. But it's not just their cooperation that makes these animals so impressive. Honey badgers are also master problem solvers. They can overcome almost any obstacle, from opening nests to breaking through complicated barriers. What makes the honey badger truly special is its almost fearless nature. Even when confronted with larger predators, such as lions or leopards, it shows no fear. This indomitable spirit comes from its smart strategies. Honey badgers know exactly how to defend themselves. Their thick skin makes it difficult for predators to attack them effectively, and their sharp claws enable them to protect themselves. Honey badgers never give up and always find ways to achieve their goals, whether it's food or protection. Their determination and ingenuity make them one of the smartest survivors in the animal kingdom. Number 5. The great white shark. The great white shark is the ultimate ocean predator, with a sharp mind and a powerful body that allows it to catch its prey with precision. What makes the great white shark so smart is its ability to hunt strategically. It observes its prey from a distance and waits patiently for the right moment to strike. Thanks to its speed and power, it can move quickly and surprise its prey, often with a deadly attack. But the great white shark is more than just brute force. It has a refined hunting instinct that guarantees its success as an apex predator. One of the most impressive features of the great white shark is its ability to detect electrical signals in the water. Through the ampullae of Lorenzini in its snout, it can even sense the electric fields of fish and marine mammals' heartbeats. This gives it a huge advantage when hunting, especially when sight and smell are not enough. Great white sharks are not only physical powerhouses, but also strategists who use their environment and skills to find and capture their prey. With their keen senses and hunting techniques, they can overpower the largest fish and fastest sea mammals, remaining at the top of the food chain. Number 4. The dolphin. Dolphins are among the most intelligent creatures on Earth, and it's easy to see why. These social mammals can perform complex hunting strategies, communicate with each other using a unique whistling system, and even show self-awareness. Dolphins can remember who they are and have names that are used to call each other. But their intelligence goes beyond communication. Dolphins also use tools to achieve their goals. There have been cases where dolphins use sponges to protect their snouts while foraging on the ocean floor. What makes dolphins even more fascinating is their playful behavior. They are often seen playing with seabirds, jumping out of the water, or even using surfboards to ride the waves. But alongside this playful behavior, dolphins are incredibly inventive when it comes to hunting. They use different techniques, such as working together in groups to catch schools of fish, and they are even known to play with pufferfish to get a light buzz. Dolphins show that intelligence isn't just about survival, it's about enjoying life and exploring new ways to communicate and have fun. Number 3. The killer whale. The killer whale is not just any whale, it's one of the smartest and most social mammals in the ocean. Killer whales are master hunters, known for their strategic hunting techniques. They work together in well-organized groups to capture even the most challenging prey. It's not uncommon to see killer whales in groups using various tactics, such as pushing seals off ice floes or confusing fish with underwater sounds. What makes the killer whales so special is that its intelligence goes beyond hunting. Killer whales have different dialects depending on their group, indicating they have complex social structures and communication patterns. This makes the killer whales not just a hunter, but also a social being that passes on knowledge to others in its group. In fact, killer whales use the knowledge of older killer whales in the group to learn new hunting techniques. This level of cooperation and shared knowledge makes killer whales one of the smartest animals on Earth. Number 2, the elephant. The elephant is not only the largest land animal in the world, but also one of the smartest. Elephants have excellent memories. They can recall events and locations years later. This is a survival mechanism that helps them find water sources and food, even during times of drought. But their memory is not just practical, it's also emotional. Elephants are known for their ability to mourn deceased companions. They also show empathy for other animals, even different species, and help each other when needed. What makes elephants so smart is their incredible social structure. They live in matriarchal groups, led by the oldest and often most experienced female elephant. These matriarchs make decisions that benefit the group, such as finding new migration routes or protecting young elephants. They also use tools and can even use their trunks to push over trees or drink water. Elephants have a vast social network and can even recall memories of animals they haven't seen in years. This makes them not only emotionally intelligent, but also incredibly strategic in their survival. Number 1, the chimpanzee. When it comes to intelligence, chimpanzees are the undisputed champions of the animal kingdom. These great apes show an astonishing ability to use tools, solve complex puzzles, and develop strategies. Chimpanzees can use stones to crack nuts, sticks to catch termites, and even plants to make medicine for themselves or their fellow chimpanzees. What makes them so special is their ability to think abstractly and communicate in a way that the most advanced animals experiment with. Chimpanzees also work together in intricate hunting parties, using clever strategies to capture their prey. They apply strategic attacks and collaborate to catch large prey. The social interactions of chimpanzees are complex and go beyond mere survival. They can develop friendships, experience rivalry, and even mourn. Chimpanzees understand the emotions of others and can show empathy for their companions, making them the smartest and most socially advanced animals in the animal kingdom. That was the 10 most intelligent animals in the world. Which animal amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Want to see more videos like this? Subscribe to Top 10 Wild and never miss a video. We think you'll also enjoy these videos.